What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I want to make a little video because I feel like sometimes when I sit down and talk, some people don't get the grasp. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do throughout the day. Like, honestly, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So, and right now I just woke up to 565 in sales with a 4.32 conversion rate. This is another reason why I want to record, because it seems like it's gonna be a very good day. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my day-to-day, what I'm doing. Right now I'm gonna go check the ad metrics and see if there's anything that I need to shut off that's not been performing, and clearly getting these results. Start looking into planning out what campaigns I'm gonna increase, all the ad strategic plans. I'm gonna look through it all, make sure everything's okay, go through customer emails, and then read. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a boring day. I'm just in my desk all day. all day. So just be prepared. Alright, so I just did a quick overlook on all the ads and nothing shut off. Everything's doing actually really well. Right now I'm testing 2 different offers, and the original offer is still doing better, but the other one's still getting good sales. So I'm going to keep them both for now. Again, Snapchat, I don't usually turn off this early in the morning because everything is delayed by hours. So I do have sales that Snapchat's not showing, and the campaigns that are doing bad could end up being good if they ended up getting the sales. So I wait a bit around midday to do some touches, but besides that, everything's doing good. If anything, I increased the budget on some that showed already promising results. I'm only doing this because it's Friday, so it's a good day. Now I'm gonna go for a walk my dog, get some fresh air, come back, read, and again, some simple day, simple life. All right, so I just came back from walking. I read a bit, recorded a video, and right now I'm gonna go head to the gym. It's funny how today I wanted to record the day-to-day because today is a bit more eventful. Like, I have days where I seriously don't leave this chair from morning to night. But today I'm going to the gym. Then I have to go, shop around a bit to buy some like deodorant, whatever. Then I have soccer tonight. And yeah, I have the live call today. Today is Friday. I'm doing the live call today, so I have a lot. So right now we got 2 purchases, 3 checking out. We're sitting. It's 11:30. We're sitting at close to a $1,000 rev. It's looking like a very good day, bro. It's looking like a fucking good day. Profit margins are high. Conversion rates at like 4.72 right now. It is insane. I honestly, like, this shit fluctuates, bro. It's like, I've had good days, but man, it's like, the fuck? What have I haven't even really done a lot of changes, and it's just performing so good today. Anyways, you want to appreciate these days because they're fucking amazing. So yeah, I'm basically sitting at 1,000 rev by lunchtime. I'm probably gonna get a few purchases now, and I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you updated on the moves I make. Right now, I haven't touched the ads since the last time I recorded. I'm gonna go to the gym, come back, and before the live call, I'm gonna fix up things if I have to before the call, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I just finished the gym. So far since I last recorded, I haven't gotten a sale yet, but look, it's very normal. I've been through it all. Like, there's always periods where it pumps, and there's always periods where it's dead. And usually around lunchtime, like I would say 12 to 1 is usually bad because I guess, I don't know, people are eating, depending the time zones people are in. So it's not that bad. keep saying, fuck off. To be honest, I keep saying, I checked the Shopify right after I just finished the gym, and my conversion rate's still over 4%. So that means like the ads haven't been spending that much. It was like at 4.7 before I went to the gym, so it went down a bit, but again, still good, still hopeful. Now I'm gonna go home, take a cold plunge, and then hop on the call with you boys and give you some fucking sauce and some value. So I'm hyped for that. All right, so I came back down to look at the ads. Everything's still looking good. About to hop on the call in 20 minutes, so I'm very excited for that. What I did basically it's not my strategy every day, but I do know, and clearly it's being shown today, that Friday and even tomorrow, Saturday, are the best days. So what I usually do, my strategy, I don't know if it's like good or not, but it works decently, where the ones that are performing, I surf up. The ones that are not performing, I surf down. And for an example, I did that earlier today, where there was a CBO on Facebook that wasn't doing well, and it was almost spent like $30. It was like at 20 something, and I had it at 50. I pushed it down to 30, and it got the sale. So now it's like, okay, I'll give you 40. And you see, like, I kind of play around. I look at the analytics, look at the potential, and even within the CBOs, ABOs that I have, I look at the ads, which ones are performing. If one's really performing bad, I'll shut the ad within. But usually the algo, like, the algorithm kind of distributes the budget more or less good. So I usually don't touch that much. But again, I don't want to touch it that much. That's why I've learned my lesson. That's why I don't want to scale too crazy. So I learned my lesson. I only do this on Friday, Saturdays, or good performing days. And I don't go too crazy, maybe bump up the budget by a few $10, $20, $30, max 50 at a time. I don't go crazy. And because I don't want to fuck everything up, and if it's a high ROAS, if you fucking go crazy, the ROAS gets beaten up. So that's my strategy for the day. Now I'm about to hop on a call. Just did a cold plunge in my pool. And yeah, I'm fucking hyped for the call, man. Sauce. You have to go watch the video. It's sauce. So a quick update before I go play soccer. Actually, it's not been the best compared to the morning. It's still good. Again, just the ads have been very slow. I'm still more or less the same space. That's with the ad spend. It's still spending. It's slower than the morning, but it's still spending. So it's still hurting profit margins. I went from 35 to 25, and the conversion rate is at 4.5 to 3.5. They're still very good metrics. It's just that it started really good in the morning. But again, that's the game. It's the game, and it's the life. I haven't really touched much. I think I went within one campaign and shut 2 ads. So we'll see. Again, there wasn't much work to be done throughout the day. And now I'll leave it be, go play soccer, and hopefully it starts to pick up. Hopefully. It usually does at night, so we'll see. But again, I'll keep you guys updated. So boys, I just finished the soccer game. We won 8-3, and yo boy got 3 points, 1 goal, 2 assists. We ripped it up. Honestly, I suck dick at soccer, but I just do it for fun with my family. So it's nice to get the cardio in and come out on Friday nights and, get out the house and enjoy the nice weather and get a good workout. Today, honestly, man, the sales, bro. It's like we started so good. I was thinking it was going to be a crazy day. I'm gonna record. It's probably gonna be like a 2.5K day, all-time high for me. And I barely got any sales. But the thing is, my conversion rate hasn't gone down that much. It's at 3.6. So it's like, are my fucking ads even spending? I don't know. Right now I sit at 1.4. Again, look, for some people, even me a month ago, that would have been fucking insane. So obviously, like I said, your standards, once you reach certain goals, man, your standards get higher, and it's like, you know, I expect a bit more sometimes, which I try not to, but then again, it is good. I want more, you know, where we strive for bigger successes and goals. But look, it is 9 p.m. I've experienced it before where Friday night it just goes ham, like 15 or 10 to 15 orders within the last few hours. I've experienced that before. And I was like at my friend's house, and my phone was just buzzing and it was going off. So technically I would have to go home, check how much ad spend there's left. I'm sure there's not much. I mean, I'm sure there's a decent amount left. So there's potential. I'll keep you guys updated. I work tomorrow. I have to wake up at fucking 5 a.m. So in order for me to like look all over this shit, I would have to stay awake till midnight. It's fucking rough, but hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So right now I'm gonna go home, shower, get to my desk, and I'll why did I just smell my... I didn't mean to do that. That was weird. That was just like I'll see you at the desk. What's up, guys? It is currently 11:45. And basically, I guess you can say it's done. The day is done. Now, I'm going to be waking up early. I'm going to be waking up at 5 a.m. So I probably will do like a final update, even though I know there's only 15 minutes left. But this might sound bad. It's like I thought the day would get better. I expected better. And I'm about to show the results, and it's like some people, it's like for them that would be crazy. And again, I've mentioned this. I'm grateful. It's just at a certain point, like I used to be there, and now it's like I have certain expectations now. So at the end of the day, I want to show we finished off with 1.5 res with a 22% profit margin, 346 in profit. It's a very good day. It's still a very good day. It's just, again, it was crazy how I was close to 1,000 in the morning. I thought it would have just more than doubled throughout the day. It's been pretty dead lately. I have no idea why. It's been pretty dead. For a Friday night especially, I like I said, I had experiences where Friday nights it was bumping. But again, still a very good day. Yeah, so that's a day in the life, I guess you can say. Honestly, it's funny because today was a very eventful day for me. To other people, I did fuck all. I'm telling you, there's days where I'm just stuck to this fucking chair all day. It's the life of a self-made starting entrepreneur. You gotta grind it out. You gotta bang it out. And it's repetitive. It gets tiresome sometimes. Just gotta bang it out. And yeah, I didn't touch the ads that much. I tested a new ad the last few days, and I found one that's like a winning one. So I distributed to my scaling campaigns. I have surfing campaigns with interest and ABO campaigns where I duplicate. So maybe that'll help tomorrow. I don't know. I'm going to, again, do a final update tomorrow morning just to make sure the final numbers. But yeah, I'm just fucking tired. I have to wake up in 5 hours. So again, thank you for watching though. I'll update you tomorrow morning. But again, thank you for watching. The big question is, will I continue this product? It's been so hard for me to scale for some reason. I don't know why. It's been hard to scale. I'm trying to figure it out. I have to make a decision by the end of the weekend if I want to continue. Because it's like, I want a bag. I want $10,000 days. Like, you know, like I want bags. So we'll see where the future takes us. But again, I'm learning so much. This is just, and again, the numbers compared to $0, always better. So thank you again. I'll keep you updated in the morning. Let me go sleep a bit. See you there. Damn, I look fucked up. Well, guys, it's the day after 5 a.m. I didn't get any other sales after midnight. Before midnight, sorry. So the numbers I showed you were the exact same of where I left off. And yeah, today is looking, let's see, I don't even know. At this point, this shit fluctuates even midday. So it's like, right now I have 5 sales at 5 a.m. But again, thank you for watching. Again, simple life in front of your computer, playing with ads. That's the phase of my life that I'm in right now. That's all. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the top.